Have a nice day. Today we are going to present about the importance of problem solving. We are a problem solving institute in Sri Lanka. Actually, this particular institute, virtual institute, because we don't have any physical locations at the moment. So I'm M.G. Ekanayaka. I have several years experience in manufacturing sector in a multinational company in Sri Lanka. So this is my contact details. So my mobile number and my institute email number is mentioned here. So we are going to introduce first my organization. So actually we are providing solution problem solving process of your organization by training and workshops. So I understood that with my experience, so many industries, they don't have proper mechanism for problem solving. The reason why a lot of industry, they use problem solving, as they want. They don't have the proper statistical mechanism. They don't have proper scientific approach. So therefore, they are doing the ad hoc way their problem solving works. So our mission statement actually to empower organization to effectively solve problems and improve performance by providing practical solutions through structured training programs and interactive workshops. We are committed to enhancing skills, building knowledge, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement that enables sustainable organizational success. So we have wide mission statement. Actually, we are doing a lot of things for improving problem solving knowledge in our organizations. Especially, we are conducting the workshops and training programs, awareness program, coaching works, we are doing. Because if you're interested to learn about the problem solving, you can request from us that, what kind of a training program you required and what kind of workshop you required. You can request us because this particular topic is very advanced, because problem solving we cannot learn within 1 day or 2 days or within minimum number of training programs, because this is very wide lesson. We have to complete at least 30 programs under these particular topics. Some of the topics, the basic knowledge about the problem solving. But when it comes to problem solving methodology and statistical tools, you have to learn a lot of things. Without practical knowledge, by applying those tools, you cannot learn really what is the problem solving process. Therefore, this is very wide things. So you have to ready to absorb the complete process of training program. Then only you can understand clearly what is the problem solving process. So our approach basically hand practices. So that means that you want to do your problem solving exercises by yourself, because without without practical knowledge, you cannot apply your problem solving process in your organization, because you should have practical knowledge. If you have only theoretical knowledge regarding problem solving, so you cannot really practice problem solving process in your organization. And some case studies also we are discussed, because case studies is focusing the practical scenarios, sometimes our experience, sometimes we can create some case studies. Based on that, you can learn a lot of things. Next, structured framework for problem solving. Actually, we don't have structured framework at the moment in so many industries, because they are using their own methods to solve problem solving. Structured methodology is compulsory to successfully completion of your problem solving activities. So, for example, A-D methodology, A3 methodology, sometimes DMAC methodology. So you can use so many methodologies to solving your problems. And support to developing procedures. So you should have, your organization should have proper problem solving procedure. We are supporting to develop problem solving procedures for your organization. And this particular process can apply to private sector, public sector, as well as service sector, private manufacturing sector, especially because so many quality related issues, customer complaint issues are in those organizations, as well as so many practical issues, problems we have in the public sector. So we don't have proper mechanism so many times to face in those problems. So therefore, such organizations, they are solving their problems ad hoc. So this is very critical requirement, statistical based approach for problem solving. Okay, then we are going to introduce what is the problem. So this is actually basic definition for problem. You can learn a lot of things in my future programs. So basically, what is the problem? What is the real definition of problem? So, what is the current situation, current level, and what is the required level to achieve? There is a gap between current level and required level. So that gap is the real problem in your organization. I will say one example. If your organization current defect rate 3%, if you are expecting to reduce that defect rate up to 1%, the gap is 2%. That means your real problem is 2%. you should prepare your problem solving process for what? By reducing 2% your defect rate within specified period of time. So this is the real statement of problem. So very clearly we should understand what is the statement of problem. Problem statement is very important. Problem understanding is very important. So sometimes some organizations, they are going to solve their problem without proper understanding of problem. Problem statement very clearly and we have to understand. So application of problem solving process. Sometimes you might think that the problem solving process can only apply for solving problems. No. So we can use this process for several problems and several areas. For example, customer complaint. Actually, that is a problem. Customer complaint. So once you receive the customer complaint, you have to find the real root cause of the problem. So sometimes some organizations, some people, once they receive in the complaint, they have their own idea about the root cause. At the receiving of complaint, they have idea. Yes, this is the root cause. This may be the root cause. Ultimately, they are going to justify this root cause. The idea they have, that idea they are going to justify through the root cause analysis. It's completely wrong. So we have to find the real root cause using real statistical analysis. So then internal process problems. You might have a lot of internal problems in your organization. Especially manufacturing process, you can see low yield. The production processes yield is low and high defect rate and sometimes inconsistency. So that is a very big problem. An employee poor attendance. The people are not regularly come to the duty. So that is kind of a problem. There should be a root cause for such problem. So high job turnover. That is another problem. The people resign from your organization. The resigning frequency is very high. So there should be a root cause. You have to find it and you have to take the proper corrective action to resolve those problems. And you have to stop the recurrence of those problems in your organization. And properties of product. That is also very important. Properties of product you have to improve. So that one also you can apply the problem solve. The next one is the KPI achievement. It is not a problem. At the moment, if you achieving your current KPI, so you don't have problem. But ultimately, management will decide to give new target. For example, your productivity is 70% at the moment. So management is decide to increase your productivity up to 80%. After increase new target, you have new problem. You have new problem. So then your now problem is 10%. You have to increase your productivity by 10% at the end of the year. So this is the situation. So you can apply this problem solving process solving the project with you. And then technical and R&D projects. You can apply problem solving process. And plant expansion project and the quality improvement project. You are doing a lot of quality improvement process in your organization, especially manufacturing sector. So you can use this problem solving process for such applications. Okay, this is our today lesson, and this is our institute information. And if you are interested to contact us, you can contact us using this information. And we are planning to conduct so many programs in future under this topic. Especially, we are going to explain problem solving methodology and also some statistical tools. Also, how to apply those statistical tools, your problem solving activities, and do some case studies. Through that, you can understand so many things regarding the problem solving process. Okay, thank you very much. Today, wind up this session at this stage, and we will meet by next program as soon as possible. Thank you very much.